Hello and welcome to AI Basics. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can upload your own song or audio per reference on Suno AI. So let's go ahead and start the video. Open any type of browser you have on your PC. After you open any browser, go to suno.ai. Then sign into your account. If you don't have your Suno AI account, don't you worry because you can create your account with a simple click. There are options like Google, Microsoft, and Apple to create your new account. Sign into your new account and then you will see this type of profile. Now, what you need to do is click on Create, which is over here, and you can see the Upload Audio option. Go ahead and click on this, which is here, or you can go to Library and you can see the Upload Audio option. So click on it and you can see My Audio or My Device. If you want to record your own audio, just go ahead and click on it. Or if you want to upload an audio from your device, go ahead and click My Device. You must make sure that the audio must be the original audio between 6 and 60 seconds long. Audio with vocals detected will be made private only and cannot be made public. So you can go ahead and click on My Device if you want to upload an audio from device. After you upload it, you can see that it will be selected. Click on Upload File, which is over here. So after you click on it, according to your internet speed, it will be uploaded and you can use it for future preference purpose to sample a song or create a new song of your own with the same preferences. So in a while, the audio will be preferenced and you can see the audio is too long. So currently this is the option, so maximum duration is 60 seconds. You can select a beat or an audio within 60 seconds, click on Retry, and then you can easily upload your audio. So guys, this is how easy it is to upload an audio on Suno AI. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention this on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.